On the wealth management space, the financial planning software available to us is dominated by two software offerings, largely unchanged over the last 20 years. They're the same as when I
Yeah.
started, they're the same now. They might have had a refresh or a paint job, but really they haven't changed. And they're a very small box that you have to smash your client into. On the private equity on the deal making standpoint, it's the same thing. Handful of companies with list generators, give you names of businesses. They're using the same data, the same old structures.
Same
They
old
haven't
stuff.
changed in 20, 30 years. That's not what I want. When I come into it, what I need is when I'm facing a client, a question that I don't understand and my client may not understand, and we're trying to figure this out, I need to be able to make a program to answer this
Hmm.
complex question. And I need to be able to have a partner that can run through the mathematics and the modeling of it in a way that I'm not thinking
Hmm.
about, that can bring in legal and tax questions and a host of other resources from different places. Well, AI is purpose-built to do that.
Yeah.
So how you create that ecosystem around your business, and you got to remember,
Hmm.
we're in a licensed industry on the wealth management side, same thing on the private equity side. So
Yeah.
yeah, I can't just, ask Claude to, like, but I think the process overall is the same. And then on the buy side, that's where we've seen a lot of innovation.
Hmm.
Because again, there are new AI companies that are starting up in that world that have been incredibly valuable. We're sapping all of those up. Anyone that has a new idea in a business that hasn't had one in 30 years, we're going to investigate that.
Hmm.
But the other thing we're doing is looking at this from our own perspective.
Yeah.
Can we build our own data mining programs? Can we assess information? And it's one thing to have AI-driven data mining, but how good are you at parsing that down? And do you need another AI program to come over the top and say, hey,
Hmm.
can we take a deeper look at this?
Yeah.
That's saving us a tremendous amount of time. Just things like, okay, I have a list of 500 companies that we've been asked to call on from a private equity firm. We're trying to find one that they may purchase. Having an AI program that can look at people's LinkedIn, match that, and look at Facebook and figure out how old
Hmm.
people are is huge.
Yeah.
Because if there's a difference between the business owner who's 42 and 62, that's a different uh, point of data. But the time it would take to do that
Hmm. Hmm.
and to go and look and to really analyze this, um, it's overwhelming. Meanwhile,
Yeah.
AI, I can get there in a matter of moments.